Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here, and I got two new knives that I wanted to show you guys I've just finished making. So we'll start with number one, which is very similar to a knife I made recently. Give you some close-ups in a sec. This is another Elmax steel knife, very similar to one that I made just a few weeks ago. However, this one's got a flat grind on it instead of a hollow grind, and there's a few differences with the sheath as well. So as you'll see, it's a kydex style sheath, and with this one we actually put a spring clip on the back of it to make it so easy. You can literally just clip it onto your pocket, onto your belt, onto the top of your jeans, or even onto this little weird pocket that are on jeans that no one knows what it's meant for. So, ta-da! Other than that, we've got this little beauty, which is first dangler style sheath that I've ever made. Quite a nice one, and the knife itself is a beauty as well. So we've got N690 blade, brass bolsters, brass Mosaic pins, pretty much a perfect mirror finish on it, and a nice little bit of jimping on the back here, followed up with some spine filing. There we go.